Sam, thank you. In a ruling yesterday, the Michigan Supreme Court overruled the legislature reinstating major changes to the state's minimum wage and paid sick leave laws.
So while some are calling it a victory for low-wage workers, others are believing that this could actually hurt businesses. 13 on your side, Veronica Ortega joining us live from the newsroom with the story. So Veronica, what does this exactly mean for workers?
Tanner, Emily, it means that minimum wage workers here in Michigan could be making more money very soon. But on the other side of this issue, business owners are concerned higher labor costs will close their business for good. Now, this all started back in 2018. That's when more than 280,000 signatures were gathered on a petition to raise the minimum wage. This petition was approved by lawmakers without it going on the ballot for voters to decide on. It was adopted by the GOP-led legislature at the time, but the wage increase was eventually rolled back. The vice president of government affairs for the Grand Rapids Chamber of Commerce says there's a lot of uncertainty surrounding the Supreme Court's decision yesterday, and it's causing some concern.
A lot of questions from employers. They want to know, how do my earned sick time benefits align with this? Do I have to make changes? What do those changes look like? What if I'm seasonal? What if there's just so much kind of shock, even though some of us knew a decision was coming.
Meanwhile, One Fair Wage, a national organization of service workers and restaurant employees, have been fighting back to increase the minimum wage since 2018. In a statement about yesterday's ruling, they say this is a great day for the more than 860,000 workers in Michigan who are getting a raise. We have finally prevailed over the corporate interests who tried everything they could to prevent all workers, including restaurant workers, from being paid a full fair wage with tips on top. Now, as a result of the 4-3 ruling, Michigan's hourly minimum wage of $10.33 is expected to increase by at least $2 in February. That's once the state treasurer calculates inflation adjustments. But again, a lot of unknowns at this point, and this is a developing story. We will bring you more as soon as we learn it. In the newsroom, Veronica Ortega, 13 on your side.